Who's playing? What's his name?
His name's Noah. All right, you guys, heads or tails? You guys got heads or tails here?
Heads or tails?
Heads.
Heads.
All right, here goes. It's gonna be a heads. Heads. All right, your trick.
Heads, right?
First. Yeah, heads.
All right. You ready?
All right, go ahead.
Noah.
Yep.
His name is Noah. Are you ready?
All right.
Nollie flip.
Nollie flip. All right, let's go. Noah on the defensive.
S for
All
Noah.
right, it's gonna be an S for Skatelab.
Switch flip.
Switch flip.
That's K.
All right, it's gonna be K. When it's games like this.
Switch heel.
Switch heel. There. Oh man. Damn.
Oh, you guys are set, guys.
Let's go, Noah. Oh yeah. Noah on the offensive. Oh yeah.
There we go.
Yeah.
Go ahead, Noah.
Oh, nice try. Double kickflip. Nice try though.
It's pause go. Pause go. All right, last letter, last letter.
Shit, it's gonna be T. Skatelab. Damn, fuck.
Switch from big.
Man. One more try.
One more try, one more try, yo, you got it.
Shit, dude. I don't want him to lose.
Yeah,
oh man.
Good game.
Guys, good game. Hey, great game.
God bless you.
Hey, I just want to thank Ethan, Chris, and Noah for being out here today, for showing good sportsmanship, for having a good game as well. You know, although everybody can win, we still have some shirts for them.
My shirts.
Yo, where's Tori at? Where's Mike Mo? Thanks, guys. Yo, peace. Peace, Skatelab. God bless you guys. I keep you in my prayers. I got you.
Man. Hey, tell Mike Mo I said hi.